How to fix a noisy bathroom exhaust fan. So your first step is to turn off the power. So before you start, turn off the power at the breaker for your safety. And then after that, you can now simply remove the fan cover by simply pulling the fan cover down and removing it from the clips. After that's done, you can now simply move over to clean the dust and dirt, as dust buildup is the main cause of the noise. Clean the fan blades and housing thoroughly, and then once you're done, you can now simply tighten any loose parts. So check for loose screws or parts and tighten them to stop the rattling. Now once that's done, you could also check if the motor is lubricated. If you need to, you could then proceed to lubricate it. If your fan has a serviceable motor, you can add a few drops of lubricant to reduce the noise. All right, now once that's done, you can also check your fan alignment by making sure the fan blades are not hitting the housing and are properly aligned. So check your alignments. And then once that's done, you could easily replace your fan. So if the noise continues, just replace the motor and you can get a replacement for that easily. And then once you're done, just simply reassemble it and test. And that's it, guys.